Ako si Doc Rob, chiropractor dito sa Pilipinas. Alam nyo ba, there is a truth that's often overlooked. You cannot outperform a broken body. You might have the best ideas, the strongest ambition, the biggest dreams, but if your health is failing, your performance will suffer, period. In today's world, we're obsessed with success. Hustle harder, work longer, push through. But no one talks about the cost of success when your health isn't aligned. Let's talk about real link between health and success and why so many high performers crash, burn out, and live in pain. Here's something I want you to think about. Your body is your vehicle. Would you expect a race car to win a championship if it's running on low oil, misaligned wheels, or a broken down engine? Of course not. Yes, that's how most people treat their own bodies. Pushing nonstop, ignoring pain, skipping sleep, surviving on caffeine, and wondering why they're exhausted, unfocused, or even sick. You can't operate at full power when you're constantly dealing with neck pain, back tightness, headaches, gut issues, low energy, or even brain fog. These are not just minor inconveniences, they are signs your nervous system is under stress. And your nervous system controls everything: how you think, how you move, how you digest food, how you handle stress, how you sleep. That's why chiropractic care is not just for back pain, it's for high performers. I see it all the time. Entrepreneurs, CEOs, athletes, moms, even students. When their spine is aligned and their nervous system is functioning at 100%, they feel clear, focused, confident, powerful. That's when the game changes. That's when you level up. Because when you feel better, you perform better. When your body is free from interference, you think faster, move smarter, and lead stronger. I want you to hear me on this. If you've been grinding, but you're constantly tired, unfocused, or in pain, your body's actually trying to tell you something. And success should never come at the cost of your health. In fact, real success starts with your health. That's why we say health is wealth. So let's flip the mindset. Instead of waiting until your body breaks down, let's build the foundation that fuels your goals. Here are 3 things I recommend for every high performer. Get your spine checked regularly. You maintain your car, right? Maintain your nervous system. It's that simple. Number 2, dial in your daily habits. Of course, hydration, movement, sleep, alignment, nutrition. These are non-negotiables. Slow down to speed up is number 3. Slow down to speed up. Schedule recovery. Make space for your rest. A strong body needs fuel and downtime. Remember, your energy is your edge. Your health is your secret weapon. And your spine, that's the foundation of it all. So if you're ready to get to the next level, not just in business or fitness, but in how you feel, think, and live, don't neglect your body. Book a spinal health check at one of our Doc Rob chiropractic clinics. Let's realign your body so you can realign your life. You were designed to thrive, not survive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stand tall, Philippines, and stay aligned. Yan lang po.